My name is AngelDavidMejia Cordero. I am 22 years old. I am psychology student and I am first semester. I live Magangue Bolívar. Kristen pues Abu Ferry pasó en dos World How se revivió my family. We were all very happy to be te bendiga en your teacher. I like Christian system because in this opportunity to be with Damian today. Así becomes I award lay the first. Dice que quien the paper the first presentación. Dice que is very cold because today I with teacher de preparación. Ingredients: 1 or 2 pieces of chard, 1/4 cup with flour, 1 lemon. Preparación: 1. The first test preparing participate to work the first. You kill lemon nepien 2 tarts. 2. Season the fish inside and dough. Pastation and rice diesel. 3. Post the fire or is the fire and hay when very hot. Like the fish the fries the macro browns. I am fine Joe Cormagangue en Archipecon de Smith Challenge presentación a you Harold say yes. Thank you.